Take a ride in the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, HID headlights, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, remote start, cruise control, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.